I am Rajesh Srinivasan, author of the book Marketing Success Formula. I am a marketing strategist with over 20 years of experience, and my mission is to help entrepreneurs grow their revenues and build powerful brands. I'm extremely happy to join hands with Change Consulting for their 360-degree workshop series. We have designed a unique workshop exclusively for small and medium entrepreneurs who wanted to grow their business effectively. This unique workshop is called Growth Accelerator program, first of its kind program for small and medium entrepreneurs. The objective of the program is to help people like you to craft an effective marketing strategy which can help to identify the most profitable segments, increase your sales revenues and profits without spending huge money on advertising or any other unproductive marketing tactics. I'm also going to share a copy of my book, Marketing Success Formula, to all the participants. This book I've written based on my 3 to 4 years of research by studying the timeless direct marketing principles applied by some of the best marketers in the world. And you can go back and apply some of the principles which we are going to discuss in this workshop right from the day one in your business. That is the beauty of the workshop, I would say. We are not going to discuss about any vague ideas. We are going to introduce some unique frameworks or systems in the form of a worksheet and tools which you can immediately apply in your business and see some tremendous growth in your customer base and revenues. You can also teach all these workshop or worksheets and tools to your frontline employees or your senior managers, and they'll be able to effectively implement all these ideas without much of struggle. So you can go ahead and register for this unique workshop Growth Accelerator program by contacting Change program coordinator, whose number is mentioned below. Go ahead and immediately block your seats. Let's catch up on December 13th and discuss a lot of things which can help you to think differently than other business owners in your same market. See you then.